Poems to myself because I work with hot people. You know, Ryan, the next time you want to show up at work and pretend to be engaged in some profound thought of complete originality, something as of yet unimagined in the course of human history, to the point that anything you'd ever want to share or verbalize to anyone is just so completely whoa, that you think she's actually going to be impressed by your thought process. Consider that the expression on your face may render you looking confused or psychologically incapable of staying in one state of consciousness while wide awake, and that blisteringly corrosive waitress with the electric purple hair, looking like she could douse you in kerosene, then make you ask her for a cigarette lighter just so you can find out if she thinks smoking looks badass. The one who walks by and leaves you feeling like a bullet hole. Well, she might just think you're trying to avoid making eye contact, and you are. It's difficult to look a girl like that directly in the catchphrase, Sonny. It's always been difficult, I know. See, she understands her proximity as a weapon, and you always try to build yourself an island instead of making yourself a lighthouse, but when your eyes meet, she becomes desmodium weeds ensnaring you. In the intimacy bubbles up like champagne-soaked questions too inebriated to be asked by either one of you, so the next time it strikes you to be absent, wake yourself up and in, eyes open her direction, if she just so happens to be standing there, Holy Mother incarnate, the moment you look up from a vegetarian pastel slapped in the face cutting board and realize she will never blend in with the restaurant. The endless receipt paper, the plates of food, the food runners shuffling around, hoping for 15% tips. She will always draw the eyes like absolute north seducing the needle of a compass, but it was 10 o'clock, and her hair was down, and the loudest sound in the restaurant was the recoil of her lavender. She was a gun barrel, so devoid of fingerprints, you would almost think she was innocent. Oh.